Welcome to today's guide, where we'll walk through the quick and easy process of updating your display name on Discord. Whether you're rebranding, personalizing, or just freshening up your profile, these steps will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First, grab your device and open the Discord app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll spot your profile icon there. Give it a tap. This opens up your user settings where the magic happens. Now look for the option labeled Edit Profile and select it. This section lets you tweak details like your avatar, bio, and, crucially, your display name. Scroll down until you see the display name field. Tap on it, and a text box will appear. Here's your chance to get creative. Type in whatever name you'd like others to see across servers. Keep in mind that unlike usernames, display names don't need to be unique, so feel free to make it as fun or professional as you like. Once you've typed in your new name, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom of the screen, and give it a quick tap. And just like that, your new display name is live. Your friends and communities will now see this updated name next to your messages and profile. A quick tip: if you're part of multiple servers, remember that display names are universal. Changing it here updates it everywhere, so choose something versatile. And if you ever want to switch back or try something new, just repeat these steps anytime. That's all there is to it. Updating your display name on Discord is a simple way to keep your online presence fresh and aligned with your current vibe. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting with your new identity.